Where'd it go? Well. What is that? It looks funny, I know that. Oops. What is that? I want to scare it so I can see it fly, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't want to scare it. I just want to see it fly. What is it doing? Oh, the usual. I guess it's not gonna fly away anytime soon. Here it goes. That wasn't it chirping though. That was a bird in there. Bro, whose dog is that? So that's either a dog or a wolf. Whatever it is, I'm not trying to find out. But yeah, it flew away. Now it's over there. Anyway, if anyone knows what that is, tell me.